Although rain falls freely from the sky, we put a lot of work, energy and love into getting every drop of water to you. Water is an essential resource which plays a vital part in each and every one of our daily lives. At Welsh Water, our job is to ensure that when you turn on the tap, you have access to a reliable source of the best quality water when you need it. It's a precious resource, one which we need to value and preserve so that it's available for all future generations to come. Most people in Wales use 150 litres of water a day. That's 75 large bottles of pop. But there are some really simple and straightforward things you can introduce into your daily lives, which will help to reduce the amount of water you use. For example, turning off the tap when you brush your teeth twice a day could save around 24 litres. That's the same as 80 cups of tea. Or you could swap from a bath to having a shower and save yourself nearly 40 litres. And if you reduced your shower time to just 4 minutes, you can save water and energy, which will save you money on your utility bill. For example, reducing a 10-minute shower to 4 minutes can save the average household almost £100 on their annual water bill. At Welsh Water, we offer some free handy products through our Get Water Fit calculator on our website. For instance, our free water-saving shower head reduces the flow of water without reducing your water pressure, so saving water without changing your shower experience. And a shower timer will help you keep an eye on those minutes. If you're getting busy in the garden, why not use a watering can to keep your plants hydrated? Or even better, install a water butt to collect the rainwater through the rainy season and use this during the drier months in the garden or to wash your car. We also have free hose guns, which help control the flow of water from hoses, so it reduces waste. Using a bowl or plug when you wash dishes can cut the amount of water used for this in half. If you're washing fruit and veg in the sink or waiting for your tap to run hot, use a bowl to catch the water, so it's not wasted down the sink. This is great for your plants too. We have free tap aerators available, which will help control the amount of water being released from your taps. You won't even realise it's there, and it will reduce your water usage by up to 50%. If you're using your washing machine or dishwasher, make sure they're full before you switch them on and pop them on eco mode. This will help save water, energy and money. The water used to flush your toilet is the same great quality water that comes out of your taps. If you have a dual flush toilet, remember, only use the big flush when needed. For bigger cisterns with one flush, we can provide a free Saver Flush bag that saves 1.2 litres per flush. As well as access to free products, our Cartref team can help repair any dripping toilet, free of charge. If you think you need our help, just get in touch and one of our plumbers will help you with the repairs. By following these simple tips, we can all make small changes which will make a big difference. Working together to save water and protect our beautiful environment for now and for future generations. Our friendly Welsh Water colleagues can recommend which tips and products are most beneficial for you and may even be able to help you fit them. For more information, head to dwrcymru.com/cartref.